In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new document in DocuSign. First, sign into your DocuSign account and land on the Home dashboard. From here, click Start or New, then choose Send an Envelope. Depending on your layout, you might also see an Envelopes option in the menu that opens the same preparation screen, or a Sign a Document shortcut that leads to the Upload page. The goal is to get to the page where you can add documents and recipients. In the Add Documents to the Envelope section, click Upload to browse for a file on your computer, or simply drag and drop your document onto the window. DocuSign works great with PDFs, Word files, and common image formats. Keep file names clear and finalize before you upload, so you don't have to retag later. If you prefer, you can pull a file from cloud storage, such as Google Drive or Dropbox, provided those connections are already set up, or start from a pre-existing template. Templates are handy if you send the same form often because they already contain the fields you need. After your document is in place, add your recipients. Type each signer's name and email address into the recipient fields. If your account suggests contacts as you type, select the correct one to avoid typos. When you have more than one signer, you can set a routing order so people sign in sequence rather than all at once. Use the message area to clarify what the envelope contains. Next, click Next to place fields on the document. You'll enter the tagging screen where you can drag and drop essentials like signature, name, and date signed onto the correct spots. Check the recipient selector or color code to be sure each field is assigned to the right person. If the document has multiple pages, scroll through each one and place all required fields. Zoom in for precision, and align fields to keep your form tidy and professional. When everything looks right, click Send to dispatch the envelope. DocuSign will email your recipients a secure link to review and sign. You can watch the status of the envelope from your dashboard, resend reminders if needed, and you'll receive a completion notice once everyone is done. If something needs correction, you can void the envelope and start again with the updated file. That's it. You've successfully added a new document in DocuSign and sent it for signature.